Hello friends, in this online quiz in last video I already show you how you can make template partition of admin side. Today I am going to show you how you can add exam category from admin side. So first of all we need to create one table. So here I am going to open localhost and then I am going to open php myadmin and we are going to create new table. So I am going to select my database online quiz. Here I am going to add new table exam underscore category and we are going to take three fields. So I am going to take three fields. First one is id integer 5, then we are going to take your primary key and auto increment. Next here we need field name category, then varchar. Here I am going to take 100 and here exam time in minutes. Here also I am going to take varchar and going to take 5. Yeah, now save. So yeah, now we have this table is ready. Now we need to make design. So first of all you can see I am going to log in admin and here I am forwarding on this demo.php. So now we have to create one new page for it. So I am going to open this demo page and then file and save as exam underscore category.php. Yeah, so now I am going to open here page exam underscore category.php. So you can see we have this plain page here. Now we keep some forms here. You can see we keep here HTML form because we need to copy sometimes design from here, that's why. So first of all I am going to open this forms-basic.html to show you. Copy forms days. Yeah, so right now we are going to take this form left side and right side we are going to make table to display that. I will show you. So first of all I am going to copy this company form part here. Company form. Yeah, this one, this part. Let me check city etc etc is there. No, this is not that one. Company wet street. Yeah, this one, company wet street. So we need to copy from, so we need to copy these things. So I am going to select these things, division to /div, copy, and I am going to paste here inside our content area. Now refresh, you can see we have this form and here we are going to change heading, add exam, but here we don't want this much fields, so we are going to change, like first of all we are going to change heading, new exam category, and here we want exam time in minutes. We don't want any other text box it, so I am going to delete. Yeah, here we are going to remove this placeholder. And now I am going to copy these things, paste here, because we need button here, that's why. Input type submit, name submit 1, value add exam, then we are going to use class btn success. Yeah, so here we have button. Now we need here one table, so we are going to take table. Yeah, we have this form here, you can see we have this form here, tables basic. So we are going to take form, yeah, like this, bordered table. So I am going to open this table and going to find bordered table. Yeah, sits. I'm going to select these things, copy, and let me paste here. Here you can see we got details. So here we can change heading. We need to make this dynamic, but first we set here design. Now we are going to make it dynamic. So first of all, here we need to change this placeholder. So here I am going to change placeholder. Add exam category. And exam time in minutes. Save this. Refresh here, you can see. Now here I need to take one form tag. So I am going to take here form tag, form name form1, then action, then method post. Yeah, now we need to check where this div is complete. This div is completed here, so after that we can complete this form tag, because we start our form tag before this, so we need to complete this after this, that's why. Yeah, so now we need to do here is set. So I'm going to write here if is set underscore post and submit 1, because we want to do some operation on button click event, that's why. So first of all, I am going to check button is working or not. I write testing OK. I am going to press this button and we got message testing OK. It means our button is working proper. Now we need to include here our connection file, which you can see here, connection file. So I am going to include here, include // and connection.php. Now here I need to write mysqli underscore query, but before that I need to change textbox name, that's why. Name exam time, and here I'm going to give exam name. So we have two values, one is exam name and one is exam time. So here mysqli underscore query $link insert into our table name is exam underscore category, so I am going to copy this, paste, then values. First value is id, so we need to pass this null, then dollar underscore post exam name, and then dollar underscore post exam time. Yeah, then we need to give message, script type text JavaScript, and we need to give alert exam added successfully. And here don't forget to write or die, because when we are getting any error, then here we can see this error properly using this die. $link. Yeah, so now I am going to check. Minutes 30 and add exam. Yeah, exam added successfully, and here browse. Here you can see we got here properly. But now this added exam we want to display here, so we are going to write code for it. So when you are going to write this type of table to static to dynamic, on that time just keep only one record. So I keep only one record, and here I write PHP. Here we need this for id. Here exam name, exam time, here edit, and now here we are going to perform delete. So now here I am going to write select query, $res is equal to mysqli underscore query $link. Here select star from exam underscore category, while $row is equal to mysqli underscore fetch underscore array, and then $res. Yeah, now we need to copy these things, so I am going to cut these things, and I am going to paste here. Yeah, so I am going to declare one variable, $count is equal to 0. Then here $count is equal to $count plus 1, and here equal $count, incremental operator, one kind of. Now exam name, so here echo $row, and we need to set this column name category, so I am going to write here CATGORY. Again I am going to copy this, paste here, and here we need to set exam time in minutes, so I can copy from here. Here I am going to write normal edit, and here normally delete. That's fine. Now I am going to refresh this, and you can see we got here exam time and exam name. And one more thing we have to do here, after this alert we need to refresh this same page. So window.location.href is equal to window.location.href. I will show you why. Now I am going to add one new exam, ASP.NET 20 add exam. I got message okay, and here you can see I got updated value here. That's why we need to refresh this page. Yeah, now we need to do this edit and delete operation. So for that, first of all we are going to perform delete operation. So here I am going to write ahref. Here I am going to need to complete /a, then delete.php question mark id is equal to, we need to pass current record id equal $row id. When you are going to pass value from one page to another, it is known as query string, but you need to check like this. You can see I am going to move this mouse delete, but check here when I move mouse. You can see I got delete.php question mark id is equal to 1. Here id is equal to 2. If you are not getting value like id is equal to 1, id is equal to 2, it means you are getting any issues. So first of all, before clicking this, you need to move mouse and you need to check you are getting values or not. If you are getting values, it means you are okay up to this. Okay, nice. So now here I need to create one page, PHP file, delete.php. Here we don't need any types of template because this page is only for delete operation. Include, here we don't need any types of design. connection.php, here we need to get id and we need to fire delete query. So mysqli underscore query $link, here delete from exam underscore category where id is equal to $id. And after this we need to get back to our main page. So script type, that's JavaScript, and window.location is equal to, we need to use this page name. So here, yeah, exam underscore category. Now I am going to run this. I am going to press delete operation and you can see this record is deleted and we are back in this page. So this way we can perform delete operation. Now we are going to perform edit operation. So for edit operation, edit underscore exam.php. Here we need design because we need to set old values and then we are going to perform update operation. That's why. So I can copy this all things from this exam category. I copy all things and paste here. Now from here in exam, you can see this college sits for this table part. This table part I am going to delete because we don't need that. That's why. First of all, we are going to check we got design or not. So here I am going to write ahref /a edit exam.php question mark id is equal to $id. Yeah, that's fine. So now I am going to click on id. You can see this page is open and we got this form. But in this edit exam, we are going to change heading edit exam. So here you can see this is the edit exam. Here also we are going to change edit exam. Yeah, but we need to fill old values here. Means when you are going to update profile on Facebook, you can see your old values. Then you have to change your new values. So I am going to fill here old value. So for that, I am going to write here select queries $res is equal to mysqli query $link select star from exam underscore category where id is equal to $id. $id is equal to $_get id. Yeah. Now I'm going to move while loop. While $row is equal to mysqli underscore fetch underscore array and then $res. Now here I am going to declare variable $exam underscore name is equal to $row and our column name is category. So I'm going to change variable name exam underscore category and $exam underscore time is equal to $row and this column name. Yeah. So now these values we are going to fill here. Here value echo $exam category. Here value echo $exam time. Yeah. So now I'm going to refresh this and here you can see we got our old values. Now here we are going to change heading, update exam for this button. Right now add exam, I'm going to refresh, and you can see now update exam. Yeah, now we need to fire update query. So we have already this submit one because we copy from old page, that's why. Here we need to change update query like update exam category set category is equal to then where id is equal to $id $_post exam name then exam time. Here $_post, here we need to give exam time, and we don't need this alert. After update query, directly we can forward on our main page. So window.location is equal to exam_category.php. So now I am going to do here php1 and going to press this update button. We are getting here, and you can see our exam name is changed. So this way we can perform edit and delete exam operation. Here we need to give one menu. So I am going to give menu in header. After this dashboard, I am going to copy, paste, add and edit exam, and here we need to set exam category.php. Yeah, so this way we can perform add and edit exam categories operation. You can change here like here in edit exam yeah. So this way we can perform this operation. I hope you like this video. Please like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching my video.